Stanislav, I'm from Ukraine, and maybe I'm here in the US on U4U or TPS, or I'm outside of the US, doesn't really matter, but I'm a part of the art movement, be it music, be it beauty industry, whatever that is, the entertainment, and I want to get the green card in the US. How can I use this profession to achieve this result? So today we're going to be discussing this particular topic, and also you will be able to learn how to get a free evaluation of your case. Let's go. Hello my dear friends, I'm Stanislav Shamayev, a licensed business immigration and corporate attorney in Miami, Florida. Today, we're going to be discussing the talent visa EB-1A for Ukrainians who are in the field of arts. You want to ask me, Stanislav, why you want to discuss such a narrow category of art? Well, the reason being is that the EB-1A for art gets 2 extra criteria on top of the 8 that are available to everyone. Everyone who is in the art industry gets more chances just by the way the law is drafted. Now, let's remind ourselves, what is EB-1A? EB-1A is an immigrant talent visa that gives you the green card and also to your spouse and the kids below 21 if you can prove that you satisfy at least 3 criteria out of the 8. However, we want to know that we will be able to satisfy at least 6. Now, if you're in the art, let's drop a few professions. Musicians, singers, beauty industry masters like barbers, nail masters, eyelash masters, models, people from the entertainment industry like stand-up comedy, producers, editors, and everybody else. Basically, each profession that I mentioned, we got an approval sometime in the past. And recently, we've been getting a lot of approvals for our Ukrainian clients who started working with us sometime in end of 2023 or the beginning of 2024. Because the contracts are 6 months, we start the case, we develop it, we file it, we get an approval, and then we start the process of getting the green card. Now, what are the criteria that I see oftentimes in EB-1As in art? First of all, showcase. Showcase is a really good one of those 2 additional criteria that everyone will satisfy who is in the profession of whatever you guys do in the art. What could it be? It could be anything from playing in front of the crowd, like in a festival, or having your paintings or statues in the galleries, museums, and things like that, but also showing your performance on the scene, on the stage. Showing your performance on the stage where you show how to use the needle or how to use the scissors, whatever that you are offering to teach the people who are coming to the congress or conference and things like that. So whenever you show something in public or your work is exhibited for the public to see, we will satisfy the showcase. The commercial success, we get it 70-80% of time in the beauty industry because not everybody is paying taxes, okay? And we need to pay the taxes to show the commercial success. Here, what we're looking at is either the average price that you charge for your services comparing to other professionals, or your salary if you're working for the company. Either or, the taxes is a must, and also we need to show that those amounts are at least 30% more than other professionals in the same region, in the same geographical region, but I want to see twice as much, 3 times as much. No, the more the better, because that shows your expertise. Then a lot of you guys are either ambassadors of some brands, or you develop your own brand that's famous, or at some time in your career you worked for other salons or brands or trademarks and things like that. So if you did, we can claim the critical or leading role. Also, the press about your achievement is easily achievable through working with independent PR agencies who will help you to structure that criterion. And your own publications is the same, right? There are vendors who help you to structure your articles and find you the best solutions where they could be published. Right off the bat, we are talking about 5 criteria that are available almost for everybody who's in the industry. Now, the awards is oftentimes in the petition because those industries are full with different competitions. With the only caveat, I want to see the awards of the national significance. Don't bring me the awards that are from Moscow, Kiev, Berlin, okay, like more regional. I want to see that the award is recognized in the country, be it Ukraine, be it Russia, be it Europe, Germany, Austria, whatever that is. Of course, if you have local awards, I'm going to use them, but not in the criteria of awards. So that gets us to 6. Now, judging the work of others, almost a must in any petition, because not only you can satisfy it by being a judge at the same competitions where you won some time before, but also you could judge the allied industries. Like if you're a singer, you can judge the competition between the music writers or even the beauty contest. So allied industries are possible to be a part of your petition and when you're judging them. So that's the 7th one. And usually I stop at 6 and will always get more. But one that I want to mention specifically is contribution in the industry. What's that criterion? When you did something significant for your industry, you created some tool, some ink, some color, maybe you've done some courses or your methodology that you teach and educate other people, maybe you speak at the conferences, maybe you have your patent, maybe you have your book written. It could be anything, okay? Anything that's new and significant. How do we measure significance? It's either being used in the industry or you monetize this invention, whatever you've done, and make money on it. That's how we can quantify that. If you want to know for sure whether you will qualify for this visa or not, you can get a free evaluation, and you need to get it because it's easy as 1, 2, 3. Go down below this video, that's 1. You find the link, you click on it, that's 2, and you fill it out, that's 3, okay? After that, in 2 days, I will get back to you and give you the initial analysis of your EB-1A petition and let you know if you have a potential, and if you do, we'll invite you to the complex immigration planning where I will build the winning written strategy for your case. Don't forget that EB-1A is one of those visas that does not require the employer in the US. You could self-petition. So if you are in the US, you can self-petition your EB-1A without any additional documents and then adjust your status to the green card without going to the embassy. If you are outside of the US, you can do the same. You still don't need an employer, but you'll have to make a pit stop at the US embassy and go through the interview. It's not a big issue because I have the separate department in my company that does work with you after the approval, preparing you for this process. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, smash that like button, do the free evaluation, come to the complex immigration planning, and then start your case with my team. Also subscribe to my Instagram and my TikTok where I post the unique content. I am Stanislav Shamayev, a lawyer of the future. Your future begins here. Good luck.